Comparison of 4-digit numbers. We have already learned comparison of 3-digit numbers. Comparison of 4-digit numbers is done in a similar way as the comparison of 3-digit numbers. To compare 4-digit numbers, start comparing the digits from the extreme left, that is, from the thousands place. If the digits in the thousands place are the same, compare the digits at the hundreds place and so on. Look at the following examples. Example, compare 5941 and 398. Solution, 5941, 398, 4 digits, 3 digits. A number having more digits is always greater. So 5941 is greater than 398. Example, compare 4957 and 4953. Solution, 4957, 4953. Same. 7 is greater than 3. So 4957 is greater than 4953. Let's go through some more examples. Example, compare these numbers. A, 6734 and 6631. B, 8596 and 8695. C, 5591 and 5591. Solution, A, 6734 is greater than 6631. B, 8596 is less than 8695. C, 5591 equals 5591